Hey guys, welcome back to A Minute Monday, and I hope you guys have been doing well, especially with what's been going on and all that stuff. I don't know if by this time that this video goes up, if things have kind of settled, but I hope that you guys are doing okay, especially after all of that time. I just want to go ahead and say that really quickly. But in today's Minute Monday video, I'm gonna go ahead and be doing a Freckle tutorial. Freckles have been a thing for a while. You see it all over Instagram and all those filters and being freckles and doing freckles and having freckles all over your face and like doing little like jewel freckles. We're gonna go in really simply with just an eyeliner. You can go in with an eyeliner or a brow pencil. This is just a brow pencil that I have. This is the Benefit Precisely My Brow. This is in 4.5. I recommend going in with a slightly more gray brown tone color. You can go in with any kind of color you want. Hey, who knows? If you wanted red freckles or green freckles, go for it. It's all up to you. I have a sponge just in case with whatever leftover foundation I have from doing my skin earlier. I already put on my face, my whole face pretty much. Even blush and highlight and all that stuff. I did my contour and everything. Last thing I'm gonna do is freckles. I'm just gonna go ahead and dot on my face pretty much. So what I do is I end up actually starting around my nose, and you just you do light little taps, small dots all over, just kind of spreading them out almost in a random pattern. You want to take a finger, or you can take a sponge. I'm going to take my finger and I'm just going to go ahead and lightly tap on top. I'm not rubbing, I'm just tapping. Another thing that I like to do, especially when it comes to freckles, I naturally have a beauty mark here, and sometimes it'll get kind of washed out, so I definitely go back over and mark that to help darken it and make it more prominent. So that completes this video. These are kind of what the freckles look like from afar. They're super duper natural. But if you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to go ahead and click that thumbs up button and also subscribe down below. I really appreciate it. And I will go ahead and see you guys in the next video. All right, bye guys.